You are creating an interface element with a drop shadow for a web page. You want to maintain the full, variable transparency of the graphic and shadow. You enable transparency in the Save for Web dialog box. Which file format renders the transparency without introducing a surrounding matte color? Option A. GIF. Option B. JPEG. Option C. PNG8. Option D. PNG24. The correct answer is option D. Which type of slice is drawn to encompass an arbitrary area of a Photoshop document? Option A. Auto. Option B. User. Option C. Table. Option D. Layer-based. The correct answer is option B. Which type of layers are required when you are removing elements in a web animation? Option A. Single. Option B. Locked. Option C. Multiple. Option D. Grouped. The correct answer is option C. You are producing a graphic for a website. The graphic contains a small number of colors, spread over solid areas. You want to ensure both the best appearance for the graphic and the most widespread support by web browser applications. Which file format is the most appropriate? Option A. GIF. Option B. JPEG. Option C. PNG8. Option D. PNG24. The correct answer is option A.